Struggling with marking wood, sharpening your tools, keeping wood steady while drilling or cutting, dealing with messy glue-ups, or getting clean, accurate lines? These 10 woodworking tools will make your work so much easier and save you time along the way. First up is the Nike Pro Carpenter Pencil Set, and this thing solves a problem every woodworker has run into: regular pencils snapping or getting lost in sawdust. This is a mechanical carpenter's pencil with a 2.8mm thick lead that's built tough enough not to break mid-mark. It comes with a built-in sharpener screwed right into the cap, so you never lose it, plus a stash of refill leads in red, black, and yellow for marking on different surfaces like wood, metal, and plastic. It even holds up on wet or green lumber, which is huge for outdoor framing work. The elongated tip design lets you mark inside tight holes other pencils can't reach. Simple, but genuinely clever. Next is the Work Pro 10-piece wood chisel set, a complete sharpening and carving package in one case. You get 6 bevel-edge chisels, ranging from a 1/4 inch up to 1.5 inches, forged from CRV steel, hardened to 58 to 60 HRC, with a 28-degree cutting edge for a sharp, durable bite. The handles use a PP and TPR combo for shock absorption, with a nickel-plated steel strike cap, so you can pound away with a mallet without damaging the handle. It also throws in a double-sided 120 by 240 grit sharpening stone, an adjustable honing guide for consistent bevel angles, 2 carpenter pencils, and a hard case to keep everything organized and travel-ready. This one's a bit of a hidden gem, the Saker Digital Angle Rule and Sharpening Guide. It combines a honing guide with a digital angle rule, giving you 2 measurement modes: absolute mode for fixed repeatable angle readings, and relative mode for quick comparisons on the fly. That means you can dial in the exact bevel angle on your chisels and plane irons every single time instead of eyeballing it. The wider roller wheel adds stability so the jig won't tip mid-stroke, and the rubber base keeps everything steady while you work. It's built for chisel sharpening, plane blade restoration, and even flattening your sharpening stones themselves. If you carve spoons, bowls, or use gouges, this next tool is a game changer. The Sharp Pebble Dual Grit Whetstone features 2 stones, 400 grit for repairing dull or damaged edges, and 1000 grit for polishing and maintenance. What makes it unique is the multiple grooves cut into the surface, shaped to match the curved contours of gouges and carving chisels, so you're not stuck trying to sharpen a curved blade on a flat stone. There's even a convex section for triangular and round chisels. It sits on a non-slip bamboo base and sharpens with plain water, so there's no messy honing oil involved.
Here's a tool that quietly changes how you work at the bench. Rockler's Bench Cookie Plus Work Grippers, sold in a pack of 4. These high-friction rubber pads lift, grip, and protect your workpiece without needing a single clamp, which means the entire face and all 4 edges are accessible for routing or sanding. Each cookie provides about 1 inch of lift, enough clearance for most router bits, and you can stack 2 together for extra clearance when running a jigsaw. They also have a threaded insert on the bottom, so you can add optional risers for taller projects. Simple rubber discs, surprisingly essential. Building cabinets or bookshelves? The Going Make aluminum shelf pin jig takes the guesswork out of drilling shelf pin holes. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it includes 7 hardened drill guide bushings that let you drill 7 perfectly straight 1/4 inch holes in one pass, spaced at a consistent 1 1/4 inch distance. It's also compatible with the standard 32mm hole spacing system used in cabinet hardware, and a locating pin lets you extend the jig for longer shelving runs. The kit comes with the aluminum template, 2 drill bits, a wench, and the locating pin. Everything needed to knock out evenly spaced, wobble-free shelf holes fast. Gluing up a project shouldn't turn into a sticky mess, and that's exactly what the Milescraft Glue Made 450 fixes. It holds a hefty 15 ounces of wood glue and uses a clever double-chamber design. Squeezing the bottle pushes glue from the bottom storage chamber up into a smaller application chamber, giving you precise control over exactly how much comes out. It even works upside down or at any angle, which is perfect for vertical glue-ups or hard-to-reach joints. It ships with 2 interchangeable tips, a fine doweling tip for tight holes and a flat biscuit tip for wider glue lines.
This next one looks simple, but it's a serious time saver for anyone building stairs or roofs. DOUTO stair gauges for framing square. These small clamp-on gauges attach to your carpenter's or speed square and lock it at a precise, repeatable position so you can mark identical stair stringer cuts or rafter angles over and over without remeasuring every time. They're compatible with most squares under about 8 mm thick and also double as a straight edge guide for a circular saw. For anyone laying out multiple stair treads or roof rafters, this tiny accessory turns a tedious measuring job into a fast, repeatable process. For anyone getting into whittling, the AIsmosia wood carving kit is a genuinely complete starter package. It includes 17 pieces total, with knives forged from high-carbon steel and pre-sharpened edges ready to cut into basswood, pine, or balsa right out of the box. The ergonomic walnut handles are shaped for a slip-resistant grip, and the set throws in anti-cut gloves plus 4 thumb guards to protect your hands while you learn. Everything packs into a portable PU leather roll with individual slots, so it's easy to toss in a bag and take to a class, a workshop, or just the back porch. Closing out the list is a tool most woodworkers have literally never held, the Beavercraft Forged Adze AX2. This is a curved blade carving axe designed specifically for hollowing out bowls, spoons, and ladles, something a standard chisel just can't do efficiently. The head is forged from 1066 high-carbon steel and securely fixed to the handle for stability during aggressive carving strokes, so it holds an edge and keeps its shape through heavy use. The handle itself is ash wood, treated with linseed oil and wax for a durable, secure grip. If you've ever wanted to carve a bowl from a solid block, this is the tool that makes it possible. And that wraps up 10 woodworking tools you probably didn't know existed. If you spotted one you're now tempted to add to your shop, let me know which one in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tool breakdowns like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.